The story of elephant mating is one of power, intelligence, and endurance. Elephants are creatures of immense complexity and profound social bonds. Their lives stretch over many decades, and reproduction is a powerful defining force. The continuation of their species depends on a series of remarkable and intense biological events. For males, this means dramatic transformations. For females, subtle, carefully timed signals. The world of elephant reproduction is unlike almost any other in the animal kingdom. It is governed by specific periods of heightened readiness and intense competition. For males, this is Musth, a time of great physiological and behavioral change. For females, the estrus cycle is the critical trigger for all the drama that follows. These strategies, shaped by evolution, ensure only the strongest and most determined males pass on their genes. The competition is fierce, the courtship's elaborate, and the social dynamics of the herd are completely rearranged. The entire community is involved, from the matriarch to the youngest calves. Observing these behaviors offers us a window into a deeply ancient and complex society. The story of elephant mating is more than just biology. It's the intricate dance of life, performed for millennia. And it's a story we must strive to protect for future generations. For most of the year, a mature bull elephant is calm and solitary. But with the arrival of Musth, everything changes. Musth is a state of heightened aggression and reproductive drive, triggered by a surge in testosterone. This transformation is involuntary and begins in bulls around age 25 or 30. During Musth, the bull's focus shifts entirely to finding a receptive female and dominating rivals. He becomes a formidable and dangerous presence, aggressive toward other males and even other animals. His behavior is marked by a swaggering gait, head held high and ears spread wide. He patrols vast areas driven by intense hormonal changes. Musth can last weeks or months, but eventually, hormone levels return to normal and the bull's aggression subsides. While it lasts, Musth is the most dominant force in a bull's life. It brings ancient, primal instincts to the forefront, showcasing the raw power within these gentle giants. It's a necessary, if dangerous, part of the elephant life cycle. Musth brings unmistakable physical signs. The temporal glands swell and discharge a thick, dark substance called temporin, streaking the bull's face. This strong-smelling secretion is a clear signal to other elephants. Bulls in Musth also dribble hormone-rich urine, staining their hind legs and leaving a scent trail. These chemical signals warn rivals and attract receptive females. The bull's posture changes. He walks with confidence, ears spread, and emits deep, rumbling vocalizations. These rumbles travel for miles, declaring his dominance. For females, these signals indicate a strong, healthy mate. For rival males, they're a warning to stay away. Nature ensures only the most vigorous bulls pass on their genes. The sensory message is impossible to ignore. The female's reproductive state is subtle and brief. Her estrous cycle lasts about 16 weeks, but she's fertile for only a few days. This short window means timing is critical. Male and female must find each other at exactly the right moment. After giving birth, a female won't be receptive again for years, making each cycle significant. As she enters estrus, her behavior changes. She becomes more vocal and restless, sometimes moving away from her family group. A bull in Musth searches for these cues, focusing all his energy on finding her. The female seeks the strongest mate, ensuring her offspring inherit the best genes. This perfect alignment of readiness and opportunity keeps the species going. A female elephant in estrus communicates her readiness through a sophisticated mix of signals. She uses infrasonic calls, low-frequency sounds that travel for kilometers, reaching distant bulls. Her urine changes, leaving a pheromone-rich trail that bulls can detect and follow. Her body language shifts, head and tail held high, rhythmic ear waving, and specific gestures when a bull approaches. If receptive, she may back toward the bull or look over her shoulder, inviting him. If not, her family will chase him away. The bull, after days of following her signals, knows when his opportunity has arrived. This communication system, calls, scents and gestures, overcomes the challenges of their vast habitat. It ensures that reproduction can occur, even across great distances. The dialogue between cow and bull is a marvel of nature's design. When a female enters estrus, she attracts multiple bulls, leading to fierce competition. Bulls establish a hierarchy. Only the most dominant will mate. Often, contests are settled by displays, ear-spreading, head-raising, and deep rumbles. Lesser bulls usually back down, avoiding injury, but if rivals are evenly matched, brutal battles erupt. Tusks clash, bodies collide, and the struggle can last for hours. The winner earns the right to mate and will guard the female, keeping other bulls away. This mate guarding can last several days, ensuring his paternity. The competition is nature's way of ensuring only the strongest genes are passed on. The drama is intense, but it's essential for the species' survival. Once the contest ends, the victorious bull's focus shifts to courtship. The great contest is over. The next phase begins. The cycle of life continues. After the battles, the mood shifts to gentle courtship. The dominant bull follows the receptive female, showing patience and respect. They engage in tactile behaviors, trunks caress, soft rumbles are exchanged, and trust is built. This courtship can last days, with the bull guarding the female and chasing away rivals. The female assesses his patience and gentleness, as well as his strength. When ready, she signals her acceptance, standing still for mating. The act itself is brief, but the pair may remain together for a few days, mating several times. Eventually, the bull departs, his purpose fulfilled. The female rejoins her herd, beginning the long journey of pregnancy. This tender phase is as vital as the competition that preceded it. It's a reminder that even the largest creatures are capable of remarkable gentleness. The cycle of life, power, and tenderness continues. The next generation begins its journey. Elephant courtship and mating unfold within the female's family herd. Herds are matriarchal, led by the oldest female, and consist of mothers, daughters, sisters, and calves. The family's reaction to a courting bull can influence the entire process. Protective females may form a defensive circle, testing the bull's intentions. Only bulls showing dominance and patience are allowed to stay. Once accepted, the herd gives the pair space, while adults keep curious calves away. The herd's cooperation ensures reproduction proceeds smoothly. Young elephants observe and learn, absorbing the rituals and behaviors they'll need as adults. The social fabric of the herd preserves these traditions, passing knowledge from one generation to the next. Elephant society is a living legacy, ensuring survival through cooperation and learning. The world of elephant reproduction is a masterpiece of evolution, but it's under threat. Human activities, habitat loss, fragmentation, and poaching disrupt these ancient cycles. Fences and roads block migration, making it harder for bulls to find receptive females. Poaching removes prime breeding bulls, weakening the gene pool and social structure. Protecting elephants means more than stopping poaching. It requires preserving their habitats and social systems. By safeguarding large, connected landscapes, we allow these dramas to unfold. Protecting dominant bulls ensures the genetic strength of future generations. The story of elephant mating is one of power, intelligence, and endurance. It's our responsibility to ensure this story continues. These giants deserve a future on Earth.